Good morning, students. Welcome back. In previous class, we already discussed the concept of simple program in a Java, and also we have studied the structure of Java and how to write a simple hello word. We already discussed. But in today's class, we are going to discuss how to write a program for the addition of two numbers. Now we will see. First, we can write a class. The class name is demo, and in this public static void main string asks, this is a main method. In this we are going to write a system.out.println. In this we are going to add a two values. Those are 10 plus 20, closing a main method, closing a main class. This is a simple way of adding a two numbers in a Java program. Then another one way is there. For initializing a variable, also we can write a addition of two number program. Now we can see, first one is this, second one is, for that also we can write a class name is demo. For this main method, that is public static void main. The execution of every Java program start from main itself. Here we are going to initialize objects. First one is int a. For addition of two numbers, we can take two variables for assigning a values. One is for storing the values. Total are three variables we have to take. First one is a, b and sum. These are the three variables. For this we can write system dot out dot println. In this we are going to assign the values. Here itself we are, the one way is, here in initialization also we can initialize a value. A equal to 10, b equal to 20. For this, in print statement we are going to write the sum of two number is plus sum. This is the variable which we are going to store the value of the two numbers. That is, this sum we are going to write here sum equal to a plus b. Here this sum is sum of two numbers. Then we are going to close the main method. Again we are going to close a class. For this output is 30. That is a plus b. A plus b, the sum of a and b are stored in some variable. In system.out.println is used to print the statement in console. In that going to be print the sum of two numbers is 30. Here the output is this, the sum of two numbers is 30. For first one output is only 30. Here we didn't use any variables here, but here we are using three variables for adding the two numbers. The first one is this method, second method is this. For same program we can also write in another one way. Now we can see third way. First we can write a class name is demo. In this we are going to write a main method, that is public static void main string x. In this we are going to use a again we use variables in x, y, result. We can take three variables here. First one is x, y, result. You may take any variables to declare a variable. Here I take int x, y and result. For this we can write system.out.println. In this I am going to write enter the value of x. Enter the value of x. Again system.out.println. In this I am going to enter the value of y. In first one I use enter the value of x. In next statement I use enter the value of y. X equal to 5 here, y equal to 3 here. Then I am going to call this variable here with the plus sign, plus x, here plus y. Then result equal to x plus y. Now we have to print a sum of two numbers are in system.out.println. Sum of two numbers or sum of x and y is, here I am going to close a double quotation. Whatever we are writing in a double quotation, that may be a printed in a console same. For this I am going to initialize result. The result is x and y. I close this, close the main method, close the class. For this, output is first in console, that comes enter the value of x, that is 5. Next, enter the value of y, that is 3. Then sum of two num or sum of x and y is 8. Here the result, add the x and y value. The x value is 5, y value is 3, because the result is here 8. This is also the one way of writing a addition of two number program. First, in this we didn't use any variables. Directly we are initialize the value 10 plus 20 here. The output is 30. But in this we are initialize variables. For that variable we are assigning the values. A value is 10, B value is 20. Here in some variable we are going to assign a plus b values. The a plus b value can be stored in a sum variable. For that sum we are going to print here in system.out.println. This is used to print the values in a console. The sum of two numbers is plus sum. The plus sum is a variable which are stored in a plus b's value. The output is the sum of two numbers is 30. A value is 10, B value is 20. Because of that only 10 plus 20 is 30. This is the second way of writing a program. In third one, we initialize the variables and assign the values also. In this, we are printing the x and y values with the statement. Here we didn't, in this program we didn't use any statement, but in this we are using the statement. Enter the value of x and enter the value of y. Both are stored in a result. Then result going to be printed with the statement sum of two numbers, or a sum of x and y is 8. Here the output is, the entire statement can be printed here. Enter the value of x is 5, enter the value of y is 3. The sum of two number or sum of x and y is 8. This is also one way of writing a program. Another one way is there. With the help of scanner, we can write the program. Now we can see that fourth way is with the help of scanner, we write addition of two number program. As usual, we can start with a class name is demo. In this main method, that is public static void main. In this we are going to pass string args. That string args value is, you can take any values here. You can take x, y, you can take any values. For passing the argument, we are using the args here. Then in this main method, we are using a scanner. Scanner s equal to new scanner. In this system dot in, scanner s equal to new scanner system dot in. This scanner class is, the scanner is used to enter the values in the system through the keyboard. Scanner is used to store or enter the values into the system through the keyboard. If we are hitting the any values from the keyboard, that can be displayed in the desktop or a console with the help of this scanner object. Next, in system.out.println, we are going to write a statement. Enter the value of a. Before this, here we are going to assign a variables int a, b and c. This whichever and which all the variables we are declared in the main method, those variables are local variables. Those variables are local variables. And if we initialize the variable here, int a, b, c, means these are class variables or instance variables. These are the class or instance variables. These are called local variables. Then next is the enter the value of a. For this is the statement we are used to print the same statement. For storing a values, we are writing another statement here, that is a equal to s dot next int. X dot next int. A is the variable. With the help of scanner object, we are printing a's value with the next int. Next int is the method is used to store the integer value in the console. For this, for a value, the statement is completed. For b value, again we have to write system dot out dot println. Again in this we are going to enter the value of b. For this b value, b equal to s dot next int. Then now we print the values, and also we use this statement to enter the values in our system. We both a and b variables values and statement are ready now. Next is we have to store the a and b values in a c variable. C equal to a plus b. Now the statement is completed, and the value of for the a, whichever we are entering in our console, that is also be written. Then b's statement is also written. B's for entering a b's value statement is also written. Then c equal to b plus a plus b. This is also be done. Then now finally we have to write the statement for the value of or addition of two numbers are. For that we use system.out.println class. In this, sum of a and b is the value of it prints only sum of a and b is. For storing I stored the values in a c. For that I am calling the c here with a plus sign. Plus is used to concatenating the two statements. See, then I am closing the main method, then I am closing the class. Here for this the output is first it print enter the value of a. It prints only enter the value of a. For this we have to give the values from the output. That is, I am going to print a 50. Then again next statement is came automatically the value of b. The value of b is again we have to enter the values, that is 25. Then the sum b is printed in a console, that is a plus b, that is 25 plus 15, that is 40 is automatically added and displayed in our console. These are the ways to write a addition of two numbers in a different ways. Once again you all recall, first method is without using a variables. First method is without using a variables. Second method is with variables. We write the program with the variable. Those are int a, b and sum. In third way we used statement and variables. In third way we used the statement and also we are created the variables. Variables are this int x, y and result. Statement are the enter the value of x, enter the value of y and the sum of two numbers or sum of x and y. These are the statement. In fourth program we used a scanner class. We used a scanner plot. With the help of scanner, we write the addition of two numbers. I hope you all are understand this concept. In next class, we are going to discuss further programs. Thank you.